Welcome back to XRP Pulse, your go-to channel for the latest updates in the world of XRP and crypto markets. Today, we're diving into a critical moment for the XRP token, which is teetering on the edge of a significant price drop. According to the latest monthly XRP/USD chart on TradingView, XRP is dangerously close to losing its key status as a $1 altcoin, with about 15% of value left to fall before it tests the lower boundary of the Bollinger Bands. This isn't just a minor correction, it's a situation that traders and investors need to watch closely because the market signals suggest this could set the stage for a major move in the coming weeks. Right now, XRP is trading at $1.1233, which reflects a 15.62% decline for this monthly period. The price action is showing clear weakness after failing to hold above the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, which is the 20-period moving average at $2.0620. Once XRP broke this key support, the lower band at 0.9306 became the immediate target, meaning bears are now eyeing this level closely. The current compression in the Bollinger range is particularly concerning because history shows that such tight ranges often precede either a flat market or a powerful breakout, which could decisively affect XRP's position as a $1 coin. What's happening technically is that the Bollinger Bands are squeezing, creating a situation that traders call a volatility contraction. When volatility contracts like this, it often leads to a strong directional move once the price breaks out of the squeeze. For XRP, this means that the next few weeks could see either a sharp decline below $1 or a rebound if bulls step in with strong buying pressure. The market has a history of reacting dramatically after such compressions, so every level of support and resistance is under scrutiny. Investors should note that XRP has been trying to hold multiple layers of support, but breaking below the middle Bollinger line was a significant red flag. This isn't just a momentary dip, it's part of a pattern that could influence XRP's trajectory for months. Traders who rely on technical indicators are watching the $0.93 level closely because if it fails to hold, XRP could see further declines, possibly retesting previous lows and challenging long-term confidence in the coin. The psychology of the market also matters here. Many investors bought in at higher levels expecting steady gains, but seeing a 15% potential drop shakes confidence and could lead to panic selling. That selling pressure could accelerate the decline, pushing XRP even closer to the lower Bollinger boundary. It's a delicate balance between technical factors and market sentiment, and both are currently pointing toward a volatile period ahead. Historically, XRP has bounced back after sharp declines, but the context matters. This time, the decline is happening amid a broader market slowdown, and the compressed Bollinger Band suggests that a sudden, impulsive move is more likely than a slow, gradual recovery. Traders should be prepared for either scenario, a hard bounce if demand returns, or a steeper drop if selling intensifies. Timing will be key, and patience will pay off for those watching the charts closely. Another important factor is liquidity. As XRP approaches the $0.93 mark, it's likely that more sell orders will get triggered, which could temporarily overwhelm the market. On the other hand, long-term holders may see this as a buying opportunity, stepping in to support the price and stabilize the market. These opposing forces create a dynamic that can lead to rapid swings, so careful monitoring is essential for anyone involved in XRP trading right now. Market analysts are pointing to the compression in the Bollinger Bands as a historical warning. Similar setups in previous months and years have often led to explosive moves, sometimes upward and sometimes downward. For XRP, the stakes are particularly high because holding the $1 level is not just a psychological marker, it's also a key support level that defines the altcoin status in the market. Losing it could have lasting implications for investor confidence. Adding to the mix, macroeconomic conditions and broader crypto sentiment are playing a role. When other cryptocurrencies are experiencing turbulence, XRP tends to feel the ripple effect. This interconnectedness means that traders should consider not just XRP charts, but also market trends across major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because a downturn in those markets could amplify XRP's decline. So far, XRP bears are gaining momentum, and 93 cents is emerging as the prime target. If this level fails, it could trigger further technical selling, pushing the token into a more prolonged downtrend. But if support holds and bulls return, we could see a rebound toward higher resistance levels. Timing and market psychology will determine which path unfolds, making this a pivotal moment for XRP traders. It's also worth noting that XRP's movement isn't happening in isolation. Regulatory developments, investor sentiment, and macro factors all feed into price action. For example, any news regarding XRP's legal standing or market adoption could act as a catalyst for sudden moves, either supporting a bounce or accelerating a decline. Traders need to stay alert to both technical signals and fundamental news. For those holding XRP long-term, this is a moment to reassess risk and strategy. Technical charts suggest caution, but history shows that market corrections can also create buying opportunities. Balancing risk and reward is crucial, and making decisions based solely on short-term price swings can be risky. Understanding the interplay of Bollinger Bands, market psychology, and broader crypto trends will give investors a better perspective. Looking ahead, the key takeaway is that XRP is at a crossroads. The $1 price level is not just a number. It's a benchmark for market sentiment and technical stability. How the token behaves in the next few weeks will likely set the tone for months to come. Traders and investors alike should monitor price action closely, keep an eye on key support and resistance levels, and be ready for rapid shifts in market dynamics. In conclusion, XRP's current setup shows that a 15% drop is on the horizon if bearish pressure continues to dominate. The lower Bollinger Band at $0.93 is the immediate focus, while traders watch for signs of stabilization or further decline. This is a critical moment that could define XRP's trajectory and test the resilience of its investor base. The market is tight, tension is high, and the next moves could be dramatic. Stay tuned to XRP Pulse for the latest updates, in-depth analysis, and real-time reactions as the market unfolds. Whether you're trading short-term or holding for the long-term, keeping informed is your best tool in navigating these volatile waters. Remember, the charts tell a story, but the market sentiment writes the next chapter, so make sure you're ready for whatever comes next. That's it for today's update on XRP. If you found this news helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to XRP Pulse, and turn on notifications so you never miss a critical market alert. We'll be back with more in-depth coverage, insights, and analysis to help you stay ahead in the crypto world. Read more on u.today at XRP is on track for 15% drop. Will $1 price level maintain? https://u.today/xrp-is-on-track-4-15-will-1-price-level-maintain ? UTM_source equals chatgpt.com.